Hey guys, in this video I am going to review Biotique Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters. The MRP of this product is 175 rupees for 120 ml. Let's see what this product contains. This Biotique Cucumber Toner contains Daru Haldi root, Dhania fruit, Mazu fal, peppermint oil and Kira gel. This toner is a pure herbal product and also it does not contain any preservatives in it, so it is really a good option. This toner comes in a plastic transparent bottle with a green color cap, and there is also a small opening to take out the product. As you can see, this toner is in green color. You just need to moist the cotton pad with this toner, and you should apply this toner all over your face after washing. Cucumber in this toner helps to reduce skin puffiness and tiredness, and also it restores skin freshness. And Daru Haldi is also known as Indian barberry. It corrects the metabolism and improves the skin texture, and also it nourishes the skin on deeper levels. The fragrance of this toner is little strong. While applying this toner, you can feel a slight cooling sensation. After applying this toner, your skin feels so fresh. As the name says, this toner really helps to reduce pores. Use it every day, then you can see difference in your pore size. This toner also helps to maintain perfect pH balance and keep your skin in its original state. We all know that cucumber helps to reduce skin puffiness. So after waking up, wash your face with any mild cleanser and apply this toner every day so that it will reduce your skin puffiness. This toner is also good for acne prone skin. It will also help to control acne. I suggest you to use this product twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, because I somehow feel it contains alcohol in it, but they have not mentioned anything on it. So it's better to use this product only twice a day. For remaining times, you can go for a natural toner like rose water. If you have oily skin with large pores, I think you can try this product. If you have sensitive skin, then you may feel a slight burning sensation while applying this toner. But do not worry, it will go off after 2 minutes. This toner also helps to remove the leftover dirt after cleansing, so there is no chance of clogging pores. So overall, this one is a good product for oily skin people. The packaging of this product is not so fancy, but it is a budget friendly product. If you have sensitive skin, then I do not recommend this product for you. Hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching, friends. Please do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.